and gentlemen, welcome to the GoPro OOWWWEEEEEE YouTube channel. We're at the Langley Indoor Gun Range. I have today my Churchill tactical shotgun 12 gauge that I recently purchased, and I will be renting out a Glock 17 right here. So I have one clip with a 10 round, so we're going to be firing that. And I also have my Winchester slugs, followed by some buckshot, which are small shells like this. It's the first time I'm using buckshot, so we'll get at it momentarily. If you like what you see, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to the GoPro OOWWWEEEEEE YouTube channel. It also comes with the regular stock, and it also comes with the pistol grip. So we're going to swap these out, and we're going to try the different ones. We just want to see the so as you can see, using this rifle like this, you can hold it up like that. So that's what like buckshot is doing. These right here. And we're going to go with 2 rounds. Oh, I think we got a couple right in the bottom holes there. I think we're about 25 meters now. We're going to try 2 shots. Pretty decent, I think. All right, let's try a slug. This would be my first time shooting a slug here. Holy shit. Now that had some power with this grip. We'll have to swap out ends afterwards. And we can try to control the forearm a little bit better. and gentlemen, we're gonna take a shot with the Glock here. So the same thing is that I'm going down to the left. I think I have to hold it a little bit better. Oh, way too far to the left.